What the heck is this? I got a DM from someone with the Wonderland logo, and their name is actually Wonderland, and we are actually in a similar mutual server. And they're telling me that they're gonna give me a lot of free drops for free? That sounds sketchy AF. And you know what? You would be right. This is a scam. So if you are in the Discord, I know there's a crazy spam that's going on right now in the Wonderland Discord. So if you are in the Wonderland Discord, you are most likely getting spammed to hell by these bots. They are not real people, and this is a scam. This is a public service announcement. There is no free lunch. No one's gonna give you free things, and most likely if you do this, you're gonna get scammed. You're gonna lose your money. So if you are a newbie in the crypto space, you should know that this stuff goes on all the time. I get a ton of DMs every single day about giving me free stuff, about this new up and coming, the DEX or up and coming own forks look super scammy, and they try to get you in, to get you to deposit money into their scam. So my number one tip for you is to always research stuff to make sure that they are real. Otherwise, you could get scammed. So what can you do when you do get things like this, unsolicited messages from random scam bots? Well, the first thing you should do is click on the report spam button and then report them. This will make them go away, and then you should be good. And the second thing you should do is you should go to the Wonderland Discord. There's a channel called Scam Reports. Go here, print your screenshot, and then report that to the admins. I am currently a timekeeper on the Discord, so I have the ability to ban people and to not to ban people, but like to temporarily mute people and then flag them for bad behavior. So I'm helping the community clean up, and we're getting like this person said here, we have a lot of scam bots. All DMs are scams. Wonderland does not do any airdrops, so that's something you should keep in mind. All right, so please, that's what you can do. The other thing you can do is to disable your DMs. So if you go to discord.com/channel/@me, you can click on this button, and then no one can DM you, even if they share the same Discord channel. The reason I turn this on is because I need to keep it on, because I have a lot of people from YouTube asking me for advice and stuff. So my DMs are open just for you guys, because I don't want these scams. I hate these scam bots, and they will like try to get you to sign up for their stuff. But I am leaving it on just so you guys from YouTube, from Discord, whatever, can ask me any questions anytime. But I know better, and these are scams, and you should know it too. So always report them, disable your DM, and just ignore them altogether. All right, there is no free lunch, there is no free airdrops. Don't ever think about responding to any of these people, and they will continue to do so. It's very easy to create these spam bots, so no matter how many times you ban them, they will always exist. And you know why they're doing it? They're doing it because a lot of people fall for them. So if it's lucrative to do it, they will continue to do it and scam more people. So it's our job to report them, not respond to them, and just get them out of our lives, so they will stop doing things like that to other people. All right, this is my public announcement, and I hope you guys are safe. And please do not respond to any of these bots. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.